So if you want to know the number one secret to make somebody regret not dating you, being your friend, or never dating you, you are going to love today's video, because today I'm going to talk about it. The other day I started thinking, honestly, about some of my ex-girlfriends. And I was thinking about it because I was wondering what they would think about me now. You know, I have not had like the greatest relationships. There are a lot of women that I dated that if I were married to them now, I would have been divorced like 5 times. But it got me thinking about them, it got me thinking about their life, and it got me thinking about what it takes to make somebody truly regret not being with you. And so I was contemplating this. I'm like, is it having a lot of money? Is it being super successful? Is it having a great relationship? What is it? What is the number one thing that I can do if I was seriously interested in making them regret not being with me? And so I thought about it for a while, and what I came to realize is that the number one thing that you can do, that I can do, that we can do to make somebody regret not dating us, breaking up with us, or not being our friend is being wildly, unabashedly successful in every single aspect of your life. Let me explain this for a second. In your life, you've got 2 different options. You can either go and achieve things, or you can let life happen to you. Bend over and let life give you the business. The people that truly are next level, 1%, these are the people that do not worry about other people. They're so laser focused on making themselves the best version of themselves they possibly can, including financially. They got a job. They make sure that financially they can take care of themselves. Now, the one thing I just want you to understand, being a 1% dude or making somebody regret not being with you, it's not always just about money. You can have a lot of money and still be a piece of shit, right? It's about having a lot of money or enough money to be successful or financially stable, all right? The second thing is take care of yourself physically, all right? What I like to think about is all my ex-girlfriends, all of their husbands, their boyfriends, what do they look like? What is their body like? Are they fat and out of shape, or are they in shape like I am? The answer is probably not. If you truly want to make somebody regret not being with you, I want them to search you on Instagram, search you on Facebook, look you up, and you have a great body. I'm not saying that you need the 6-pack or chiseled abs, but you take care of yourself physically. You also take care of yourself mentally. All right, one of the things that holds people back from truly unlocking and realizing their potential is not being mentally strong. They never truly have dealt with the issues that they need to deal with. Guys, the one thing that you can do to make other people regret not being with you or being your friend is being sound and stable emotionally and mentally. I also want you to dress well. This is another thing. Guys that dress well are a step above. They are the 1%. They understand that they need to make sure that they take care of themselves physically, but also stylistically. What you look like in terms of when other people meet you, whenever they see you, this is going to determine whether or not they date you, whether or not they hire you, whether or not they ever give you the opportunity. And if you're somebody that is focused on looking good, taking care of yourself from a physical perspective, you're going to have an advantage over 99.99999% of other dudes, because the majority of dudes, whether or not you realize this or not, dress and look like shit. They also don't take care of their grooming. They smell like crap. They don't look good in terms of their style. They don't pay attention. Gentlemen, your style, your branding is your calling card. You got to understand that if you are not putting in the time to make sure that you look good, you smell good, you're put together well, you are never, ever, ever going to realize your potential. Because the truth is that all these other dudes that are paying attention, they're going to steal your girl, they're going to steal your money, they're going to steal all the opportunity that you could have potentially had because you were not willing to do what you need to do in order to look the best and take care of yourself. Put together the best package you possibly can. The next thing I need you to do is not worry about other people. Do not allow other people's opinions of you to dictate your personal feeling about yourself. If you are somebody that is worried about other people, or you are just seeking validation through Instagram, social media, making sure that everybody likes you, you are never going to be the 1%. You're going to be the person that is always seeking approval. You're never going to truly be confident and successful as a man, which brings me to the next thing. You are confident. You are composed. You are somebody that understands the value that you bring to the world, and you bring it every single day. If you do this, gentlemen, game over. You win. All these people that didn't give you the chance, all these other people that didn't respect you, didn't like you, didn't love you, now they will come crawling. They're going to want jobs. They're going to want to date you. They're going to want to make out with you. They're going to want to basically be your friend, because you are the person. Success makes everything different. Success makes everything better. And if you are truly serious about being the best version of yourself you possibly can, the number one secret that you can have and do in order to make these people regret not being with you is be successful, be confident, be competent, be amazing, be kind, be friendly, and be alpha.